Hey everyone, I'm Manero here, and in this video I'm going to show you my process for painting a spread of fruits and veggies with watercolors in Procreate. So let's jump right into it. In order to achieve this, I'm going to be using the Watercolor Experience brush set for Procreate. You can find it along with a free mini version for you to try out on my Gumroad page through the link in the description below. This week and the next one are going to be a little tough for me regarding my time available to make proper tutorials. I'm moving to an entirely different town in the other side of my country, so time is very constrained for me right now. But I didn't want to leave you guys without some kind of content. That's why this video and the next one are going to be full time lapses with no narration. I hope you still like them and that you can learn something from watching my process. Without further ado, I'll leave you with this week's painting. Enjoy! I really hope you liked this video. If you use my brushes and post your art on social media, feel free to use the hashtag Manero Brushes so that I can see what you create. I would be extremely happy to share your creations with my audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the Watercolor Experience brush set for Procreate and many other sets that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.